Hi, this is Jay Goodison from Encodian. This short demonstration video is going to walk you through how to install the Encodian PDF Converter for SharePoint Online application. What you can see on the screen at the moment, I've got a SharePoint Classic site open. The process would be pretty much the same if you were working through an Office 365 group. I'm simply going to go into the site contents page, and as you normally would, adding an application, I'm just going to click New and then App. And when this page loads up, what I'm actually going to choose is the SharePoint store from the left-hand menu. And then from within here, what I can do is do a search for Encodian. Now, once that application's loaded up, you can see there's the Encodian PDF Converter application. So I'm simply going to click on the icon and I'm going to click Add it. And you can view the terms and conditions should you need to in the privacy statements, and you can see the language options, which at the moment we only support the English language, albeit if you are installing into a multilingual site, the installation process will work fine. Just be mindful that currently only the English language will be rendered. We're working on that at the moment, and we'll be bringing multilingual support in the coming months. But at the moment, just click Trust It here if you're happy with the permissions that is requested by the application. And that's going to commence the installation process within your site. So what you'll see here now is the Encodian PDF Converter, which is slightly grayed out, and that will kickstart the installation process for the application. Once the application has finished installing, the icon should no longer be grayed out, and you should be able to click on the icon or app to take you into the application page. Here you'll see information about your current subscription. If you haven't already got a subscription will be automatically created for you, and you'll be given a trial subscription lasting 30 days. That will all happen in the background. You do not need to do anything. This page will show you the status of that subscription, your current usage information, expiration date, things like that. And it will also show you the current status of the installation, so what versions installed, whether the watermarks and library extensions have been successfully installed, and also the configuration list as well. And you've got a hyperlink there that if you click on it will take you to the hidden configuration list where you can control things like the default PDFA level, hide advanced parts of the UI and other things. If you need more details about that, please visit support.encodian.com where we've got some guidance specifically around those bits. So we can see here that the application has been successfully installed. I'm just going to click close here and go back to a document library just to verify this. So I can now see on the document library that we've got a convert to PDF action on the ribbon, and likewise I can also see here that we've got it on the ECB menu, and I can simply click here and just verify that it's operational within this site. Excellent. I just tick that to overwrite documents. I have already got one in there, and I can click process, and that hopefully should be queued as it is, and process for conversion. I can see that document's now been successfully converted, and I can close there and go back. So that concludes the installation demonstration. Hopefully you'll find it a really simple process. It's fully automated in terms of the provisioning and setting up the app within your site. If you don't have a subscription, that will also automatically be set up. If you do have any questions around your subscription, or you encounter any errors whilst installing the application, please visit support.encodian.com and either raise a ticket or review some of the guidance. Alternatively, you can email us at support@encodian.com, and either myself or one of the guys in the engineering team will be on hand to provide support as you need.